Introducing the world of Glow Friends. All about friendship and the power of glow. The Glow Friends feature 6 main characters, each with their own personalities. Using elements of social and emotional learning, Glow Friends toys help children develop healthy emotional outlets through play. Children will get to know the Glow Friends through their engaging stories. Follow the brave Bumblebug, clever Bookworm, and silly Wigglebug on their adventures around Moondrop Pond. Each story features SEL breaks, like movement or breathing exercises, and comes with a light-up Glow Friends toy to play with. Energetic Wigglebug shows up again as a soft, huggable plush toy with 4 modes of play: calm, wiggle, hop, stop, imagine, and sleep, that encourage kids to regulate their energy, like getting those wiggles out or calming down for sleep. Snugbug is perfect for playtime, nap time, and bedtime routines. When placed in their cozy snuggle pod, the peaceful Snugbug creates a nighttime glow with calming light patterns. The lovable Hugbug and Harmony the Swan are the best of friends. Children will love popping Harmony's wings, twirling her crown, and tapping her tail feathers. Using Harmony's wheels or their imagination, kids can take any of the Glow Friends for a ride. At the heart of the Glow Friends world is their home, Swirl and Shine Moondrop Pond. And with it, you'll get Firefly, the heart of the Glow Friends. Children can trace the soothing water swirls of the pond to activate lights and sounds, and they can explore the tactile mushrooms, leaf swing, peekaboo log, and more. Bring all the Glow Friends over to play. The Glow Friends world is a playful place for children to explore and grow. And just like their new friends, kids will learn that with some glow and a helping hand, there's nothing they can't do. Licensed by Hasbro.